Hey, it's your girl Court. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I have a lot of juicy things to share with you guys about how you can make passive income and add that money into your money streams right now and make money in your sleep the sexy way. So stay tuned. I'm actually going to show you in this video how you can make money with little to no following, you guys. Little to no following. I literally maybe have like 500 followers on my personal and maybe less than 1,000 on my other Instagram, my business Instagram, and I still make money in my sleep. Last month I hit 10K. So I'm going to show you this little method that you can do right now. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to show you really quick how you can make money with no following. Okay, so what you need to do first, because we're going to get right into it, is you need to come to ClickBank. I'm already here, but I'm just showing you up top. So you're going to come to ClickBank. Okay, and then so you see ClickBank, and then we're going to come to log in. Okay, we're gonna log in, and then I already have my credentials in here, and you can just sign up. I won't go through the sign up process. And then you're going to come over here to actually, let me show you where it is. So you're gonna hit this toggle button, right? This toggle navigation bar, and then come to, once you hit the toggle navigation, come down to where it says affiliate marketplace. Okay, remember that, affiliate marketplace. You're gonna come to affiliate marketplace, and then we're gonna come down and choose a niche or our specialty or category of where we like to promote products, whichever doesn't give you an imposter syndrome or scare you away. So my favorite is going to be e-business, and that's because that's the business that I'm already in. I promote a lot of products that help you promote your online business, basically. So we're gonna click here, and what we want to do is find a good product. So not only do we want to find a product, but we want to find a good product to promote. So we're gonna come back again and sort our results, right? So we want to sort our results by gravity, right? By gravity. I did it high to low, and gravity is basically just how many individuals have been able to make sales with this amount within a certain length of time. Okay, within like 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, or the month, or whatever. So let's look at this first one and see why I wouldn't promote it. So I wouldn't promote this one because like it only has the payout is only $17. Like, we really can't do anything with that. I don't even know if they'll fill up my gas tank, and it doesn't. Most of all, my biggest reason is because it doesn't have any recurring income. And if you know me, you know that I love making money in my sleep, and that's not really gonna do anything for me. So let's go to the next one, turn text to speech. It's $39, but and the gravity is still high, but the recurring is only like, I don't know, what, $14. Okay, so let's go to this next one here, the 12-minute affiliate. So this one is still is okay. Sorry about my lines are not straight, but it's $163 payout. That's not bad. Some people don't even make that in a day. It has a $24 recurring bill, so we are making money in our sleep. It's over gravity, but let's see if we can find something just a tad bit better, just in case. There's always something. So this next one, this looks good. It's $261 payout. I really love this product, by the way. $261 payout, and it has, if you see here, we can see here it has a gravity of 122, so it's over our gravity, and we get a $43 payout, so we can at least fill up our gas tank with one sale. With just something, you know, for recurring, making money in our sleep. Now the next thing that you want to do is kind of research your product, see what they're offering and everything like that. I mean, nothing beats knowing what you're selling. Okay, know what you're selling. So you see here, this is like their landing page. They're gonna have us put in our first name and our email, and this, guys, is the best way to build up your email marketing list. I tell you, like, you have to have a landing page or a sales page. So what they're doing is great. And then you can see here, here's the video. Right here, I would play it just to watch it, to see kind of like, you know, what they're doing, you know, or what the product is about. So the next thing that you want to do is go to their affiliate page. So here's the affiliate page. We're going to go down. It kind of talks about the different individuals who've promoted the product in the past, how they've done with it, the different amount of sales, you know, just different things to entice you. So what you want to do next is come and fill out their information to get on their to receive your affiliate promotional materials. Now I've already registered, so I already have like their email swipes, which is usually what comes with it, different banners for you to promote. I always suggest that you put the banners, like, you know, on your blog. They're really great advertisement for your blog. So we're just gonna scroll back up. So this is just, you know, giving us a little bit of the background, the information. This is really good. So the next thing that we want to do is come to promote. Right here, promote. You see that? Promote. Now you're going to enter in your account nickname if you have one. I can show you in another video how to set up your ClickBank ID. That's what they also call it. So they're interchangeable, your account nickname and your ClickBank ID, because some of the products will ask you to enter your ClickBank ID, and that's just your account nickname. So you're going to generate the hop link. Now here where it says tracking ID, I have perpetual, but normally it comes blank. So I just put perpetual because some people promote several products in here on ClickBank, and they need a way of tracking, you know, what products are doing well, what products are not doing well. Should we change them out? Should we let it go? So it's really great for analytics and for you to just keep track, just in case, like when you start sending out multiple emails, you know, like who's getting what, who's going where, things like that. So we're gonna copy this link. Now the next thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook. Okay, so I'm gonna type it in so you know exactly what to do, and you won't say that I left out anything. So you're gonna go to Facebook, and then outside of scrolling around looking at everybody's business like I'm doing, I am going to so you're gonna come here to the left hand side and click groups. Okay, click groups. Easy way to find it. You're gonna go to your groups, and then we're gonna come to search groups. Now I have this little document pulled up on my Google Drive, but basically, let's see, I think it's this one. So this is my Google's doc, and here is just basically all of the groups, type of groups where people are usually looking for work from home opportunities. I think those are some of the best customers, because people who already work from home are always looking for more opportunities to work from home, and to make money from home, to make more money from home. Maybe it's not working for them and they're looking for advice. So we're just gonna click in here, and as you can see in my tab history, I have a work from home mom and dad's already pulled up. So I'm gonna go there, and then let's see. Okay, yay, so it's pulled up here, And I want you to think of these members as potential money. Potential money. Okay? All of these groups. Now, you have private groups. I would suggest you kind of go with more public groups because they're easier to get into. But if you can get into the private groups, they're fine. The only sticky situation about it is that sometimes they have a lot of rules and you can't post on certain days. Public groups, they have some of those same things too, but like I said, they're a lot easier to navigate. And here in the create a public post, so now what we want to do, we want to go in and we want to create a post. So what I like to do is kind of go off the dome, because to me it's more humanizing than when you copy and paste. But you can definitely copy and paste, there's nothing wrong with that. Now I'm gonna credit this, give credit where it's due. I actually use this technique from John Crestani, but it works like freaking magic. I'm telling you guys, it works like magic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say, we're gonna do a little reverse psychology, and we're just going to play on people's, not really their emotions, but more of like their mindset. So if you've ever been in any of these work from home groups, a lot of these people are scared or nervous or apprehensive or hesitant about encountering scams. Okay. Or they have been scammed, and so we're trying to get people away from that. And so when people see it, they immediately want to be like, okay, well, how can I avoid it? Or just we're playing to that particular mind, that part of their mind that's working right now. So let's get more into the script though. We can talk about the psychology of why people buy in a totally different video. But let's say, we're gonna say everything I've tried has been a scam except for this training has like literally saved my freaking life. Now we're gonna go back to our link, right? Remember what I said, how do we generate our hop link? We're gonna come to promote. Okay, so we go to promote. Remember we're gonna generate it again because I'm showing you. So I copied my link. Now Facebook doesn't like bit.ly links, so I like to use tinyurl. You can go to any link shortener. So I think mine is already in here, but I'm just gonna control. Okay, why isn't it working? So I'm just gonna do shorten another because I don't know what happened. So we're gonna go to Control V, then make my tiny URL, and then copy, and we're gonna go back to our post. We're gonna go to Control V, and then we're gonna post it. Okay, so now we're just really waiting. People are just gonna hit this link. And the thing I love about Facebook sometimes is it just it's almost, to me, almost as evergreen as YouTube in a way, because your link will be here for time and time again for people to come back and click to. Now what you want to do is go post this in 25 groups, 25 to 30 groups, as many groups as you can, all the groups you can. Now if you want to do it comment wise, what I like to do is come over here, go to this little search bar right underneath where it says, from work from home. Come to this little search bar, not the one up here. Okay, let me put the circle, not up here, because you're searching Facebook. Okay, you want to do it here. You want to search the group. Okay, so I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna search the group. What I like to do is search the group for the word scams anyway. So we're gonna click enter, and then what we want to do is just kind of find some posts. This one, she looks to be upset. Let's see if we could calm her down. So it says, I'm so tired of the work from home scams on here on Facebook. I've already been scammed twice, so you can't just help somebody else. You got to take from them. I'm not applying for any more work from home jobs on Facebook because I don't want to be scammed anymore. So she's like really been scammed a lot, right? So what I like to do, you just scroll down. Oh, it looks like I already commented. I was like, yeah, I agree with you. This is the only thing that I've found that works. I kind of need to edit my my words, my text, because it's kind of crazy there. But literally that's what I do. And then my last straw work, this group, nothing but scams are for religion and looking for more, won't be found here. Just I delete scams. So you can literally post on hers, has the much with any of these different programs. And so what I do is just come here, click on it, and then at the end I put, I could put I found, I don't know why it's like not showing down there, but I found nothing but scams too. But here is something that I've been using to make money lately online, and it seems to be working. And I literally, so you can see it now, but, and I'll put a circle around it so like you can highlight it and use it for yourself. But I said I found nothing but scams too, but here's something I've been using to make money lately online, and it seems to be working. Oh, you guys, I forgot to, don't forget to do this. But so I'm gonna edit this, and like I said, we need to put, don't forget to do this, you have to put in your link. Don't do what I did. You have to put in your link, because otherwise they don't know where to go, right? So like that, and that's all you do all day, and you really don't have to have a following to do this. And if you want to, you can literally like I said, you can do this all day, but you can also add in there your Instagram where they can follow you. I don't really like to do that because it kind of strays them away from what you really want them to do, which is you want them to click on your link. So you can literally do this all day.